All right, well, I took my cue from Derek. He played Buddy and Julie Miller's The Speed of Light the other day, and that reminded me of a song about speed. So I'm going to play a John Prine song, and maybe someone else will sing a song that has speed or loneliness or light or something. You come home late and you come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Times you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a worried and a jealous mind. How could a love that'll last forever left so far behind? So what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running to be on the run. It's a mighty mean, dreadful sorrow. Cross the evil line today. How can we talk about tomorrow? You ain't got one word to say. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running to be on the run. Out there running to be on the run. There you go. Speed of the sound of loneliness, warts and all. Take care.